guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's trading is going well on this Monday morning. Just wanted to give you a quick update after the video yesterday, let you know where we're at this morning, what's going on with the markets, and what sort of trades we're in. Overnight after the open, we saw a little bit of a pop in US equities on the futures markets, but backed off and mostly sideways trading ever since. See a little bit higher now, S&P just above the 3,200 level, and the US Nasdaq again 98.27. So we're at the highs pretty much of the day here. We'll see where we go from here. Oil jumped up overnight as well, over $40 for a short time, backed off a little bit, back below $40 now. Again, that's based on what we talked about yesterday with the OPEC meeting on Saturday. They got a little bit of good news there in terms of an extension of their production cuts. So we'll keep an eye on this as the day goes on, see where the oil markets go. Generally a good barometer for sentiment in the market, especially at the moment. In terms of news items, nothing huge today on the calendar. We had industrial production data this morning from Germany. Missed there, minus 17.9. Economists were forecast at minus 16.2. So a little bit of a miss. I guess the market doesn't put a lot into these misses. As I'm sure they're aware, it's difficult for the economists to predict how severe these drops in production are going to be, just because of the fact that we've never really gone through a lockdown in the last 100 years. So we're looking at minus 17.9. As I said, it is a record, big record. There's the financial crisis lows there in 2008, 2009. So we'll see how this goes in May. I guess this is going to be probably the bottom for this particular data set, as April was probably the biggest month for the lockdowns in Germany. So April we may see a little bit of a bounce, and then we'll see where we go from there. In terms of the rest of the day, nothing huge on the calendar. We do have housing starts for Canada coming up later on in the afternoon. That'll be probably the one that's most widely watched today. Canada, obviously, their entire economy is almost based upon their housing market. So very, very important data there for Canada later on. In terms of the trades, we took a little bit of a trade last night. As we said, we were going to get involved with the Aussie dollar. We were looking up around this 70 level here as a place to get short. So we waited for about an hour or so last night until the market settled down and did its thing. And we got a retest here at the 70 level, which is where I took it short. I'm just in with a small position at the moment, 0.1. We're just sitting in a small profit here at the moment, $15. Later on in the week, we'll talk about targets and where we're looking for this position to get to. But we'll have to see what happens up here at this 70 level. If we do end up going higher, we will probably add some more into this trade as we do. Obviously, always taking into account risk management. But yeah, we'll probably add into the trade if it goes a little bit higher. I'm confident that we're going to be getting a pullback on this pair pretty soon. So we'll see where we go. I'll keep you updated as the week goes on, guys. Expect another video from me in a day or two's time. But if you like the video, drop a like, guys. Hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer any questions anybody has, if I can answer them. And thanks very much for watching. Much appreciated. Bye bye.